time and evolution cannot be stopped. It is our dreams building the path to success. We are Grimaldi, a worldwide brand. Manufacturing high-quality tools such as waste compactors, material handlers, and other transportation solutions to the most important sectors of global economy. Our multifunctional equipment contributes to your business optimum performance while being environmentally responsible. Grimaldi can help your fleet achieve the highest levels of efficiency and minimize your carbon footprint. Grimaldi's visionary roots originated in 1961 in San Antonio de Posse on the countryside of São Paulo State, Brazil. We had grown a prestigious business that keeps the same values of integrity and quality. Diversifying and innovating have been top priorities that position Grimaldi as a market leader in Brazil and other markets. We are ready to help you in your investment projects with our sales office in Houston, Texas, and dealers throughout the states. We believe that combination of global expertise, local know-how, and passion is the key to our success. We believe in the power of unity amongst people and in the synergy effect between our allies and our Grimaldi team. We work hard today to bring solutions for tomorrow. But time doesn't stop, and we must keep building towards the future. More than just tools and equipment, Grimaldi creates the synergy that helps your business grow. Our strength is with you. Grimaldi Solutions, solutions that amplify results.